So securities law is one of the core area of the company secretaries, and not just the professionals but also to the students. If you are in CS executive, security law capital market, the part 1, that is security law, this requires expert knowledge. And if you are in CS professional, then corporate funding, listing in stock exchanges, which is the extension of the securities law, requires practical knowledge and also the knowledge of the complete legal and procedural aspects of the securities law. So you cannot afford to take this subject lightly or casually. So if you want to understand the aspects of the security law completely, then you need to have a strong grip over the SEBI Act. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. I will be taking a special session on the Unacademy platform on SEBI Act. This session would be there for 1 hour, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. The mode of language in this particular session would be both in Hindi as well as in English. If you are comfortable in any one of the language, you can join this session, and I will see you tomorrow in the class. The link is given in the description below. All you need to do is click and register. See you in the class. Take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.